I'm here to do this course called Design a Better Business, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to learn what is really happening in the world out there, where people are trying to learn and fail faster and validate their assumptions about what will work in the marketplace.
It was a very energizing workshop. I learned a lot. I love the fact that we got a hands-on experience, that we basically created our own startup.
I think that's what's great about this workshop is that in 2 days we're getting them to feel like they're actually a startup and moving something forward.
Having an idea and validating an idea is not something that you do by yourself. That's something that you do with a group. And trying to validate that, this group and these sessions and these canvases help me actually to support that process getting there.
The people who wrote this book, all those people were here, right here. They were not just writing a book and moving away from the book, but they are here actually walking the talk.
I think while this is still a safe zone, at the same time there's been a lot of uncertainty and people are not all comfortable with that, and I think that's a great thing.